All right.
What's up? What's up? It's your boy DJ emteezy. About to just do a quick freestyle mix. I got my boy here, DJ City, AB City Entertainment. One of the best Naija DJs in Boston. We're chilling at his crib. Just a freestyle mix. We're just having fun with it. Drop a comment, like it, you know, just having fun. DJ emteezy. Let's get it started.
DJ City. Let's do it, buddy.
This is what we're waiting for tonight. This is what we're waiting for tonight.
This one at 2014, right?
Just
I'll collect some of them.
it came out like 3 days ago.
I'll collect some of them from you, man.
I will post on my DJ emteezy page.
What you waiting for tonight? I will give you what you're looking for. I want to dance. Brackets make it feel nice. The chance, let's not expect the people nice. This is what we're waiting for tonight. This is what we're waiting for tonight.
Go Shagolo.
What do you
from America? Yeah, Shagolo America, no, Port Harcourt, Nigeria.
All the way, man, all the way.
I want you to money here, then. That means you're done. Correct, man. I love that. You got the instrument, right?
Huh?
That instrument, right?
Play the instrumental.
You got a lot of instruments?
I downloaded it. I can sell them to you.
I will buy them now. What share they join me now, though? That one too hard, you know they go back. I need to adjust it.
Yeah.
enter them before.
Huh?
I like the way you didn't enter them before. When you say Carol, double crown from that place. I respect you, man, because
I don't look at that.
So you know they use the people, right?
No. I don't need that.
So you know how you don't know that the light red, the light white or yellow, whatever.
Huh?
Wow.
Bado, 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 bado. She got her front, she got her back. She's two package, I can't leave her. She's one thing, so I can't leave her. Nothing in this world that I can't give her. I'm loving you.
I never said the song.
You know what I said before? Never play out.
I never play out for party before. At least, maybe I played it on my mark.
Huh?
So maybe on my mark.
Maybe.
Kilo share, she don't really want me. All the girls show me love, so tell me why me. In Malaysia, love, no one. Oh yeah, I just my show like DP. So go to Maluma, yo, yeah. So I be on Maluma slow. Maluma slow. Oh yeah, there's some you.
Well, like me, I go enter and we start.
Let's go. Do the down low. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now freestyle. She got her front. She got her back. She's two package. I can't leave her. She's one thing reason why I can't leave her. Nothing in this world that I can't give her. I'm loving you.
Why don't you kill him then? Kill him. Hold it.
She got her front. She got her back. She's two package.
Don't let you know. So
She's one thing reason why I can't leave her. Nothing in this world that I can't give her.
I missed that. I missed it.
quality, I make them hard. I do not.
Yeah. I missed it.
But it's nice. It's still nice, bro. I just see the way they do that, man. I need to know that it's cool.
When the light is white, that means it's lined up.
No. How do you know when it's lined up?
When they listen to him, you know the sound. When it gets to the kick, the boom. Once the speed has matched, once you drop the kick on the kick, it has matched. So that's how I do it.
Oh, once you drop it, it go match, whatever.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
See everything that's increased over here. See bad guys and the chicks over here. See plenty money and the drinks over here.
Salam day guy. Hello. Salam day guy.
Never push away, put some money get down. Never take a bite, don't fall, I'm not get out. Get out, yeah, get out. For me, swagger, what's that about? Let me show it, run in the town. The king of the throne, I'm holding the town. Hello, you know me hooked in the town. We come like seven, them open the ground, and them better you can know your mouth. See, I'm not the do it, turn up. When people hear the belly, they go turn up. Ladies, they feeling like why they turn up. Ask me the boy, love, yeah, you turn up. Yeah.
DJ emteezy, about to sign out. I was just having fun with it, just messing around with the music, just a freestyle. Shout out to DJ City, AB City Entertainment. Check him out on Facebook, DJ City, AB City Entertainment. On Twitter, AB City ENT. And I'm DJ emteezy. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, DJ emteezy. Twitter, DJ emteezy.
This is how we do it. We give you a free mix.
download every time. Just click below. You can download all our mixes of either DJ emteezy, DJ City. If you have any questions, if you need some selection, just send us a message. And don't forget, you can book us for your next event. ABCT Entertainment or emteezy Entertainment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.